Hi, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome again to my kitchen. So today I'm actually following on from my previous recipe, which was for oat milk, a really delicious creamy oat milk. Because I know a lot of people, when they try to make oat milk at home, it ends up slimy, but this recipe is delicious. So this was from a couple of days ago and it's still absolutely creamy, silky, smooth. So this morning for my breakfast, I haven't got much time and I need to get out the door, so I thought I'll make a quick smoothie. I normally don't make smoothies for my breakfast very often, but if I'm low on time or I need to get my son out the door to get to school, all those types of situations where I need a quick, healthy breakfast, that's when I'll turn to a smoothie. So on the weekend, I went to the farmers markets and I've got this big bucket of blueberries. So that's what I'm going to base my smoothie on today. So I'm not going to measure here. I'm just going to roughly put in whatever I have in the fridge and create a delicious smoothie. So that's about a cup's worth there. And I've also got some certified organic mango. It was from the freezer, but I thawed it out in my fridge overnight, and that is going in here too. So about half a cup's worth there. But again, you might have bananas, or you might just want to use your blueberries, or you might have strawberries, whatever fruit you like, just add that in. Next, I'm going to use some maca powder. So again, I'm not measuring. I'll put in probably about a tablespoon's worth. And then I'm adding in some chia seeds. So these are great for your omega-3s, fantastic for your brain health and your memory, and it does fabulous things to your body. So I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons worth there. Then I'm going to add some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon's worth. I really do like the flavour. And then the delicious oat milk. This just makes it creamy, delicious, yum. Okay, so I'd say that was about a cup's worth there. And then next I'm going to add natural coconut extract. So instead of using coconut milk and having all those extra calories and the added fats, I'm actually going to use this extract, which it smells absolutely delicious, and I'm just going to add some drops of that into this smoothie, and it'll add a beautiful coconut flavor without all those extra calories. So if you're trying to maintain your weight or trying to lose a little bit of weight, it's just a nice way to flavor up a lower fat homemade milk, or if you have almond milk or oat milk, then you can add your coconut flavor to make it taste like coconut milk. And then just give this a blend up. Okay, so that's been blending for about a minute or so, and it's ready to go. Breakfast on the run. And with those chia seeds, it really thickens it up really nicely, and it'll keep you full for a number of hours. It'll get you through to lunchtime. And because of the maca powder, you're going to have the added calcium and iron and the vitamin E from the mango. There's just so much goodness in here. So I like to drink it straight out of my container, or put a lid on, run out the door. This is ready to go. So if you're looking for extra recipes, simple, quick and easy to make like this one, then please go to my website at CookingWithPlants.com and join my newsletter so I can keep you up to date with all of my latest recipes and what I'm up to. And I also share tips and tricks about nutritional benefits of plant-based foods. So I'd love to see you there. Enjoy your day. I'm going to enjoy my smoothie and get into my day as well. Bye for now. Yum. Enjoy.